Well, fuck, boys. I guess it's the first Monday, first straight of the year. Welcome back. Happy New Year's. And hopefully you're ready to tackle on this year and make as much money as I know I'm going to make. But enough of all that. Let's get right into how today alone I made over $3,700. And if you guys don't believe me, I'm going to refresh this because I don't think you should be watching me if I can't refresh my live account. Refreshing, is it gonna be the same shit? Yes or no? Boom, it is 3,700, same balance, same everything. Now, I took one loss and one win today, all on Ethereum. You guys can see this was my first loss on Ethereum, boom. And then my second was a win. So I lost around with the first trade. I think it was around, I don't know. It might have been 3,500 after the fees, somewhere around there. And then with the second trade, I made almost $7,000. So basically, you do the math. I might be wrong. You can do the math right here. How much I lost, I don't fucking remember. I risked around $3,000 to $4,000. So there you go. And the way I'm gonna teach you this is super simple. It's gonna be under 10 minutes and in under 3 simple steps. Step number 1 is gonna be our higher time frame bias. Just coming up with it using the daily and the 4-hour all together, making sure that they're doing the exact same thing. So that, and step number 2 is gonna be looking for our lower time frame confirmation entry. It's basically gonna be the same thing, but a little bit different. I'll show you guys in the video. And in this one, we're gonna be entering in the 1 minute. Like I said, it's all going to be explained in under 10 minutes and in 3 small, simple steps. Now, step number 1, I got you there a little bit. It's not going to be paid or anything. You don't have to give me your phone number, no information, but I do need you to claim access to my free TradingView indicator. All you got to do is head over to the first link in the description. You click it or you tap it, whatever you have to do. You not only get access to the free indicator that I paid over $30,000 to get it coded, but also you gain access to my free 5-hour plus course. It's honestly better than 100% of the courses out there. Trust me. I put my word on that. And after that, you go over to the indicator access channel and you put your TradingView username right there. You claim right after, and then that's it. Now, kind of step number 2, quote unquote, but it's really step number 1 is going to be created our higher time frame bias. Now, this is honestly the most simple part. And like I said, we're going to be using 2 different time frames, the daily and the 4-hour. And what we want them to be doing is the exact same thing. In this case, as you guys are going to see, the whole higher time frame bias is bullish. Why? Because it's creating higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. How do we know this? Because you guys can clearly see right here, we have a break of our predicted high right here. And then we have a new high that gets created higher than this previous one, making the daily bullish. And the exact same thing for the 4. We can see that it was breaking down. Here, this whole thing was bearish. But as soon as we had the break right here and then so on and so forth, you guys can see it, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. You don't need the indicator to see it. You can clearly see the price is going to go up. And because it's not breaking down, making new lows, then we know that the trend wants to most likely keep on going higher. So we're going to follow that in the 1 minute. But long story short, our higher time frame bias in this case was bullish. So then when we step down to the 1 minute and look for entries, we're going to be looking for buys. But if you guys don't know how to break everything down the way I'm breaking basically the whole strategy, exactly how I make my money trading, then you shouldn't be trading, at least not that strategy. Now for screenshot number 1, what we want to see in the 1 minute before doing anything is for a break to the upside. In this case, why is it a bullish break that we're looking for? A break being, one of these lines which breaks a high. It's because our higher time frame in this case is bullish. So we need bullish structure to be created also in the 1 minute. So in this case, what we want is for price to come up here and break this high. And screenshot number 2, you guys can see that it's clearly doing that, making a new higher high and a new higher low. So then we're good to put our entry, and we're going to be putting our buy stop order right above the high, the current high, and right below the current low, which would be, the lowest candle that we have right now, which is right here. And then to take profit and to break even, all we want is a new break outside of our entry. So you guys can see a new predicted high and a new predicted low, completely and basically a new range outside of our entry. And we're going to be targeting always a 1, 2, 3. And that's the full-on strategy. This is literally a trade I took today. Now, as always, if you guys want to see more breakdowns like this one, don't forget to hit the like, hit the sub, hit the notice so you never miss a video that I post. And of course, there's going to be a playlist right here where you can see me break down every single one of my trades. But as always, thank you for watching and see you guys on the next one. Peace out.